National Commission for Scheduled Castes is working for the benefit of scheduled castes. It is the first time visited as a Vice Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Castes, Tamil Nadu, in my charge, and I have come yesterday and I met many organizations. They submit their complaint, their demand, and I discuss about the proper authority. Just now I visited IIT Madras. Honorable Director and his all official meet with me, and also the SC, ST, OBC welfare organization demand and we discuss about this matter, proper authority, and they can action taken report within 30 days in benefit of SC, ST welfare organization.
Sir, for the past several years in IIT, the discriminations has been happening. The complaint is that IIT is not following the reservations and they are discriminating SC, ST and OBCs. Did you inquire with the director about this matter, and also student suicide also happening often in IIT campus?
देखिए SC, ST डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के लिए जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने हमारे साथ बात किया है, they told me about the SC, ST discrimination and I discussed about this matter and they are satisfied and they told me immediately action taken this subject, and they realize and discussion about the HCSC commission or our director charge Mr. Sunilji already discussed about this matter, and they assured me immediately all discussion will be finished and commission also observation this subject.
Sir, for the past 20 years in IIT Madras,
SC, ST quota and OBC quota, the particular teachers faculty not fulfilled in last 10 years.
I mean, the reservation is not being followed properly in those institutions in the first place.
They said about this question and they submit the list, and Honorable Director submit the list and Director Admin, Director Dean submit their all list, and they said there is no discrimination in this subject, and they followed all the DUPT line of the Government of India and they show me, but it is not mean otherwise. It is adjustable. Any problem they will solve.
Sir, are you satisfied with their explanation? What's your comment, sir? What's your view on the IIT's activities?
Yes, we are satisfied, and organization also organization as present there. SCST welfare organization present. It is first time. It is first time meeting with the organization in front of the IIT Madras administration. It is first time.
So what about the discrimination, sir?
No, they tell no discrimination. Tell me about.
in last 20 years, there is a report like only 3% of teachers who are teaching the students in IIT has been appointed by SC, ST. Less than 3%. They have like the reservation is being abused in a scientific manner. They don't get admissions on time and they redirect those quota to the general category. In that way, they made 90% of the OC people as a faculty. It is happening like a scientific method, and they are
They're not following
against the system. They are following the rules, but it's out of the system. They are not following the regularities. So have you been inquired? Have you been informed about? So
I understand. They told me at the time of advertisement, which criteria mentioned this application, many others cannot fulfill this criteria, and this is why there is no actual candidate or the suitable post.
So recently one of the professor, Vipin, he complained that he faced discrimination.
If any complaint of your perfect complaint, you may give me and I should solve the problem.
They said, sir.
Any complaint, any appropriate complaint in your hands, give me my hand and I assured in favor of my commission and it will fulfill this matter.
Sir, I gave you the details, sir.
Yes.
I under RTA from 2014 to 2019. During lockdown, they conducted 2 interviews. When the national lockdown. Today, 88% are OSC faculty. I am a former student of IIT.
I assured this.
application is
I assured to you in front of the media.
Yes.
If any discussion for you, I solve this problem and intimation
So
from the
repeatedly to
competition.
NCSC
I-
also,
I
that
read-
they said they are not getting application.
I read this matter and I assure to you it will be finished and your favor.
So not only
Is
in
there any suggestions from your side for IIT to tackle all these allegations against caste and religious discrimination?
No. There is no serious complaint in my hand.
Sir, as the faculty, that recent faculty has approached the commission, sir, for he said that he faced discrimination in his resigning letter.
What?
Sir, as the faculty approached the SCST commission,
Yes?
SCST commission, as the faculty approached you, sir, last week the faculty resigned.
OBC. No, that is our subject. It is only for SC commission.
Sir, not only in IITs but also in countries, many education institutions are complaining that discrimination has been happening within the SC, and OBCs are facing discriminations in the institution recent years. And what are the steps that you have been taken to reduce this kind of discriminations and this kind of discriminations?
One answer as I given to you. Any actual completion, your hand, you give me and I sort out it. That's question is finished. Okay? Any complaint?
Any inquiry second time?
I repeatedly come and after 1 month I further visit.
Within 1 month time you were asked to report, sir.
Are you coming back in 1 month?
Yes.
So this is the RTA matter from IIT from 2014 to 19. Number of people from SC, OBC community. I'll forward
You call me and I see the matter.
Last time Mr. Ramasamy was there, Dean came to the commission, I was there. We said 1 week you will submit the report. He refused to, he failed to come.
If any problem, any seems to your problem, you may write to the commission
Yes, sir.
and I help you.